You've spent a lifetime in this business. Early mornings, late nights, hauling samples, managing crews, and building trust one customer at a time. You didn't just sell flooring, you built a reputation, a place people trusted, a team that became family through the years. After all those years of sacrifice, the question begins to rise quietly. What's next? What happens when you're ready to step back? At BuildDirect, we're flooring people too. We've walked job sites, managed crews, and loaded trucks before the sun came up. We understand what you've built because we built it too. And we know how hard it is to let go. That's why we make selling your business as straightforward and respectful as possible. No middlemen, no brokers, no games, just a direct, honest conversation with people who speak your language and understand the value of everything you've built. We'll take care of your team, protect your reputation, and keep your legacy alive while you finally take that step back. More time with the grandkids, quiet mornings on the porch, or your first vacation in years. You've earned this next chapter. You built something great. Now let BuildDirect help you celebrate it and carry it forward with care and respect.